Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am going to be decluttering our linen closet. This is in our guest bathroom. When we moved, we kind of just threw everything in this closet, and I really needed to take everything out and go through it and get it organized.
Even though you're on your phone, wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine.
So I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the closet. I'm going to be taking it into the living room. That way I can see everything that's in there and go through it. I just want to go ahead and apologize for the angle and the lighting. This was a tight space, but I really wanted to share this with you guys.
I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never say goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more.
Here is everything that was in the closet. Like I said, it's just laid out. I'm going to go ahead and go through it. And I got these storage bins from Target. They are the smaller storage bins, but they fit the space pretty well.
I'm not giving more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah, I want to be there and baby dance the night.
I wanted to take a second to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. Hello and welcome. My name is Kristen, and I do cleaning, organizing, decorating, and lifestyle type videos on my channel. If those videos interest you, please consider subscribing and sticking around.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me.
It felt so good going through all of this stuff, getting it organized and decluttered. Let me know in the comments if there is an area of your house that you need to also declutter and organize.
It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Forever's never gone so fast. Why you gotta be so hard? Sitting thinking in my car. I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast.
Next, I'm going to just be labeling these chalkboard clips that I found in the Target dollar spot. That way I know what is in each cube organizer and I don't have to dig through everything to find what I'm looking for.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah, yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
Now that I have gone through everything and have all of the like items organized and grouped together and labeled, I'm just going to be putting everything back into the closet.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving.
Here is how everything turned out. It looks so much better. Everything is grouped together and organized, and it's going to be so much easier to find what I'm looking for.
This time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please be sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We